Hello and welcome to the IOP Wales Quiz 2020. Question number 1. Heavy rain in Welsh is described in direct English translation as A. Cats and pigeons, B. Herrings and seaweed, C. Old ladies and walking sticks, D. Slate pebbles and broken harp strings, or E. Pigs and lambs.
Question 2. A person throws a ball vertically up and catches it in the same hand. Which of the following graphs could represent the plot of acceleration versus time between the times immediately after the ball leaves the hand and just before it is caught? You can forget about air resistance. Graph A, Graph B, Graph C, or Graph D? Question 3. Apart from the red dragon, the colours of the Welsh flag represent which royal house?
Question number 4. Which bridge, designed by Thomas Telford, was the longest span bridge in the world when it was opened in 1826?
Question 5. A person can run at 6 meters per second and swim at 4 meters per second. They are standing at point X, 5 meters from the bank of a canal where there's no current. Point Y in the canal is 5 meters from the bank. Which of the following paths would get the person from X to Y in the shortest time? Path A, Path B, Path C, Path D, or Path E?
Question number 6. What is significant about Lavernock Point near Penarth? Is it A, the planned site for a new type of nuclear power station, B, a site where Welsh gold is still mined, C, the site of a Neolithic remains, D, the place from which Marconi sent the first oversea radio signal, or E, the birthplace of Aled Jones?
Question 7. A particle is rotating anti-clockwise on a string. If the string breaks at point X, which of the following diagrams shows the motion of the particle after the break? Diagram A, Diagram B, or Diagram C?
Question number 8. Which of these places is the odd one out? A, Penmaen Mawr, B, Ecclefechan, C, Llanaba, D, Machynlleth, E, Pontypridd.
Question 9. Which physics quantity is often approximated as 1 over 137? A, Poisson's ratio, B, the fine structure constant, C, Reynolds number, D, 1 over E times 50, E, the Bohr radius given in nanometers.
Question 10. What is Brewster's angle? Is it A, in optics, the angle of incidence at which reflected light is perfectly polarized? Is it B, in fluid dynamics, the angle of a corner into which a vortex cannot penetrate? Is it C, in mechanics, the maximum angle that a hinge joint might rotate through for a given hinge material and load? Is it in D, in chemistry, the angle formed by the hydrogen atoms with respect to the oxygen atom in a water molecule? Is it E, in space dynamics, one of a set of angles used to describe the orientation of a spacecraft with respect to a fixed position on the Earth? And that is the end of Set A questions. Institute of Physics Wales Quiz 2020 Set B questions. These are the slow and ponder questions.
Can you identify these famous scientists of Wales? The clues are in the initials and the date of birth. 1. D for Delta, 1924. 2. B for Bravo, R for Romeo, 1872. 3. W Whiskey, F for Foxtrot, 1848. 4. W Whiskey, J for Juliet, 1675. 5. D for Delta, B for Bravo, 1886.
Questions 6 to 12 concern famous scientists. The clues are cryptic. Question number 6. It sounds like the French gent has left Welsh Wales. Question number 7. Perhaps this supporting pole is from a bicycle. Question number 8. Amorous feelings for fancy collars, perhaps. Question number 9. You'll see one of these making waves on the Welsh hills in spring. Question number 10. Not a Russian cherry orchard, but perhaps a cemetery. Question number 11. A Scottish son might collect his water here. And question number 12. Hunting with birds. Question number 13. This is a riddle. To whom does this riddle refer? Over all of Wales am I well renowned, but never any remembered power. Glad to be loved by you, never forgotten by those dwelling in Wales. Remember me.
Question 14 gives an opportunity to show your understanding of physics. Why do winds on the surface of the Earth blow along or near the direction of isobars rather than at right angles to them from a high pressure region to a low pressure region? Question 15 to show your understanding of physics. D. A. Jones, my father, was a physicist and a fast bowler. He could make the cricket ball swing, that's fly through the air in a curved path, rather than spin, which is deviation on touching the ground, more than anyone that I've ever seen or faced. What physics might he have been using to achieve this? And is using his knowledge of physics cheating?
Question number 16. Obscure knowledge. What is the common theme between the following groups of 3 words? Grace, nasal, nails. Visual, moon, simple. Complains, closet, emotional. And that is the end of Set B, IOP Wales Quiz 2020. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you.